Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile kitchen appliance that could be a game changer for your cooking routine, the Presto 06009 10-quart Kitchen Kettle XL Multi-Cooker. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Presto 06009 is more than just a multi-cooker, it's a powerhouse that combines multiple cooking methods into one convenient unit. With a generous 10-quart capacity, this cooker is designed to handle everything from steaming and stewing to roasting, boiling, and even deep frying. It's an ideal solution for those who love to cook large meals for family gatherings, parties, or meal prep for the week ahead. One of the standout features of the Presto multi-cooker is its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick finish, which makes for easy cleanup both inside and out. This means you can cook with confidence, knowing that your food won't stick and that you're not compromising on health. The large-diameter nonstick cooking surface allows for excellent browning, ensuring that your meals not only taste good but also look appetizing. Now, let's talk about versatility. This multi-cooker can handle a wide variety of foods. Whether you're simmering a hearty soup, preparing a tender roast, or steaming fresh vegetables, it does it all with ease. If you're in the mood for something crispy, the cooker can deep fry up to 10 cups of food, perfect for big batches of chicken, fish, fries, or even donuts. The included multi-use basket is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to deep fry, steam, or blanch with ease. Plus, the basket conveniently hooks onto the rim for easy draining, minimizing mess and hassle. Another key feature is the Control Master heat control, which automatically maintains the desired cooking temperature. This means you can set it and forget it, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your meal preparation. And if you need to clean it, the cooker is fully immersible when the heat control is removed, making it easy to keep in top condition. So, who would benefit the most from the Presto 06009 multi-cooker? If you're a busy parent looking to whip up quick and nutritious meals for your family, a college student in need of a reliable cooker for dorm life, or even an enthusiastic home chef wanting to expand your cooking repertoire, this appliance is perfect for you. It's also a great fit for those who entertain frequently, as its large capacity can accommodate larger portions, making it easier to serve guests without the stress of multiple cooking sessions. Practical use cases for the Presto multi-cooker are endless. For instance, you could prepare a comforting pot of chicken noodle soup on a chilly day, followed by a delicious roast for Sunday dinner. If you're hosting a gathering, why not use it for deep-fried appetizers that everyone loves? You can even create a full meal by cooking your main dish and sides simultaneously, saving time and energy. In summary, the Presto 06009 10-quart Kitchen Kettle XL Multi-Cooker is a versatile and essential kitchen appliance for anyone who enjoys cooking. With its spacious design, various cooking methods, and easy-to-clean surfaces, it provides a comprehensive solution for preparing a wide range of meals. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.